Here's a pair of Bose QuietComfort headphones. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these, okay? You basically want to factory reset these if you have issues like pairing or connecting, or one side is working, other side's not, or one side is lower volume than the other, and so on. So it's very easy to factory reset these, okay? The only button that we want to use is the power button right here, okay? So the first thing we want to do is, okay, so really quickly, I am connected to my iPhone here, okay? The Bose QC headphones, it says it's connected, okay? So let's factory reset these first, okay? So first thing is go ahead and turn them off. So we're gonna turn it off. Next thing, we're gonna turn it back on, okay? So now we're gonna turn it on and just turn it back on. Make sure it's on. I see a light down here, so it's currently on. Next thing is I wanna go ahead and use this button and move it over to the right and hold it there until for about 30 seconds, or until the headphones say the Bluetooth list has been cleared, okay? So we'll do this together, okay? So here's that button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold, okay? I'm holding now. It says ready to connect, still holding. Still holding. Okay, Bluetooth list has been cleared, it said. Okay, now I'm gonna let go. And now once you do that, you should get a blue blinking light indicating it's in pairing mode, okay? So it's currently in pairing mode. Now here's the thing, remember I was connected to my iPhone, okay? Now it's in pairing mode right now, so if I go down here, it should show up under other devices, but it's not gonna show up because remember, I was paired to it before. So before I can pair it back to the same device, I had to go back to it was paired originally. You can see right here, the Bose QC headphones. So let me click on the eye right here for info, and I'm gonna tap on forget device. If you have an Android phone, you wanna tap on unpair, okay? So there we go. So now it's off. Now if I swing down here under other devices, it should show up down here. All the devices within 30 feet Bluetooth range around me should show up down here, okay? This is still in pairing mode, it's blinking blue, but it's not showing up now. So let me just do this. Let me turn off Bluetooth, turn it back on so I can rescan, and now let me slide down. It's still in the pairing mode, and there we go. It just popped up right there, Bose QC headphones. So now I'll tap on that and give it 1 second, and now I'm connected back. Okay, pretty simple.